We're heading up to Smith Falls, picking up our new dump trailer from our friends over at the trailer company. We bought a piece of equipment from Hardington Equipment, so we need a bigger trailer to be able to move the excavator around. So we'll show you when we get there. All right, we got to Smith Falls, just grabbing some diesel quick, and we're gonna make our way to the trailer company's yard, pick up the trailer, and then head on down to Hardington Equipment. Alright, en route to Hardington Equipment to go grab the mini excavator. So shout out to the trailer company for hooking us up with this jump trailer. It's going to be awesome. Looking forward to putting it to use. And yeah, it's pretty good as is. We still got to get a spare tire for it and probably extend the walls a bit. And Mally Boy will do a little bit of paint job on the frame so we don't have to look at the wood. But yeah, it's good shape, and we'll get some more clips of it after. Alright, back at the homestead, we got the walls put on the dump trailer. Went with a 2x12 on the side, and we got a 2x6 on the face. So give us a little more height when we're doing some removals of decks and all that kind of good stuff. And here's the machine. Actually, show them the just turn around. Why not? I guess we'll do that first. Alright, so we got a 12-inch auger bit with the Kubota auger attachment, so we'll be able to do post holes for the decks. So pretty heavy duty. We're gonna leave it in the trailer. We're gonna do some holes tomorrow. And we got a smooth grading bucket. I want to say it's 20 inches, maybe 24. We got a ditching bucket, our tooth bucket. We picked up the KX018. So it's their bigger mini skid steer line, 1.8 ton. Yeah, we got it from Hardington Equipment. It's pretty sweet. It's actually got the thumb attachment as well, so pretty handy. And open cab, but looking pretty good. Put her to use tomorrow. All right, we're gonna go build some decks today. We got the footings done and concrete poured for them, so now it's time to go frame them up so we can get our inspection scheduled. So we got a deck we're gonna be building around a pool today. We're gonna get that framed up, call for inspection, and then we got another deck, a lower ground level deck we can frame up. We'll probably try and get to that one tomorrow if we can get this one done today. And then hopefully get some decking, start getting some decking laid down this week, but we're gonna take you along for the ride. All right, we got this deck framed up this morning. I'm gonna start working on bridging now. For the most part, everything's kind of where it's gonna be. We gotta add a set of stairs here. It's gonna be about 4 feet wide. The entire deck's gonna be pressure treated. The railings are gonna be pressure treated with black aluminum pickets. And on the upper part, there's gonna be railings along this face, back face, and there. So it's gonna be straight decking, starting for this direction, going that way, running that way. All right, that's a wrap. We finished the frame on this deck here, scheduled framing inspection. So once it passes, we'll be back. We'll do the decking, stairs, railings. For now, we're gonna head over to our next project. It's a ground level deck, and we'll show you when we get there. All right, site number 2 of the day. We've got this ground level deck we're gonna get framed up. Welcome to Camp DURA. The old flag has made its way out of the bag again. So I'll show you what's going on here. Got our PT delivered. Shout out to Kingston Home Hardware for that. This deck's gonna be Decorator's Voyage. I believe they picked Sedona and Kaya. So we were here last week. We got the old deck removed. We got the footings in last Friday, so ready to build. Essentially, it's just gonna be a 20 foot across the home and 16 feet out. We installed 2 6x6 posts on each corner of the deck for a sun sail that the homeowner will be getting made. And yeah, that's basically it. So I'm gonna put this camera down and get my tool belt on and start getting some framing up. Start framing this deck up. All right, just like that, and we got a deck. We still got out our bridging, 3 sets of stairs, skirting, but that's it for this week's video. Thank you everyone for watching up until this point. Comment down below if you want to see us do anything different in the next video, but that's it for now, and we'll catch you on the next one.